Hi everyone, I'm Tanya Badoria, an MBA student at IIM Shillong. I have a background in hotel management from IHM Pusa and started my career at Bluestone Hotel, where I gained hands-on experience in customer experience, operations, and business management. Over time, I developed a strong interest in digital marketing, customer experience, and data-driven decision making. I have worked on marketing strategies, competitive analysis, and optimizing customer journeys, which has helped me understand how businesses can use automation and AI to improve their marketing efforts. What I really like about Delta X is its focus on automation, AI, and analytics. These are the things I have explored in my projects, and I have seen firsthand how they can boost marketing efficiency. I think I would be a great fit for Delta X because I bring a mix of strategic thinking, problem solving, and hands on execution. I enjoy finding creative and data driven solutions that help businesses grow, which aligns well with what Delta X does. Today, I'm excited to share Campaign Pro, an AI powered email automation tool that makes marketing easier, more efficient, and more effective. It's designed to help businesses save time, engage customers better, and drive the higher conversions, something that fits right into Delta X visions. Let's dive in. We all know that email is one of the most powerful tools in today's world, uh, especially in digital marketing. It has the highest ROI compared to other channels, yet so many businesses struggle to get it right. Why? Because running effective email campaigns takes time, efforts, and lot of guesswork. And let's be honest, that's not always feasible. That's exactly where Campaign Pro steps in. Our platform eliminates the inefficiencies of traditional email marketing and replaces them with smart automation, AI driven personalization, and real time analytics. So you can focus on what truly matters, engaging your audience and driving business growth. So let's dive into what makes Campaign Pro a game changer. Before I take you through the solution, let's step back and look at the real challenges businesses face with email marketing. Think about this. How often do you receive emails that feel irrelevant or generic? Probably too often. That's because many companies still rely on outdated email strategies and they don't keep up with customer behavior, preferences, and real time data. Here are the three biggest pain points that marketers face. Let's be time consuming processes. Manually crafting and scheduling email segmenting audiences and tracking results is a full-time job in itself. So it is a very time consuming process. Inconsistent engagement. If emails aren't personalized, they don't feel relevant, leading to low open rates, weak engagement, and ultimately lost customers. Third one is fragmented data and insights. Without clear and actionable insights, marketers are left guessing what works and what doesn't. That leads to missed opportunities and inefficient spending. Campaign Pro is designed to solve these exact issues, helping businesses scale their email marketing while keeping it personalized, efficient, and data driven. So, what makes Campaign Pro different? We have built it around three core pillars that truly redefine email marketing. Full automation, no more manual labor. Our AI powered system takes care of the campaign creation, audience segmentation, scheduling, and even follow ups. So, your team can focus on strategy instead of repetitive tasks. AI powered personalization. Imagine sending out emails that feel tailor made for every recipient. Our AI studies user behavior, purchase history, and interactions to ensure that each email is relevant, increasing engagement and conversions. Actionable insights. Forget vanity metrics. With real-time dashboards and predictive analytics, you get deep insights into what's working and what's not, helping you make an informed data-driven marketing decision. With these capabilities, Campaign Pro does not just help you send mails. It ensures that every mail sent adds real value to both your business and your customers. So, what exactly can you do with Campaign Pro? Let's take a quick look at some of our key features and how they translate into real business benefits. AI personalization engines. No more one size fits all email. Our AI customize content in real life based on user preferences, boosting engagement and conversion rates. Dynamic segmentation. Audience groups are Audience groups are automatically updated based on behavior, making sure your messages always reach the right people at the right time. Optimized scheduling. AI determines the best time to send emails based on when your audience is most active, increasing open rates and reducing unsubscribes. Integrated analytics and insights. Understand how the emails perform with real time metrics, predictive analysis, and actionable recommendations. Drip campaign automation. Easily create automated workflows that nurture leads over time, whether it's a welcome series, a re engagement campaigns, or a sales funnel. With these features, Campaign Pro makes email marketing smarter, more efficient, and result driven. Now, let's talk about the impact. What does this mean for your business? With Campaign Pro, companies experience 70% time savings. With AI handling repetitive tasks while the team focuses on strategy and creativity. It also offers 30 to 40% higher engagement with better personalization, which means more open and more clicks and stronger customer relationships. Higher conversion rates and revenue growth, more engagement naturally leads to more sales and repeat customers and long-term brand loyalty. In short, Campaign Pro does not just help you send better mails, it drives real measurable business growth. So how it works and the next steps. It is incredibly simple. Seamless integration. Campaign Pro works effortlessly with the existing CRM, e-commerce platform, or social media tools. So there's no major learning curve or system overhaul. The second one is live demo. We as a team believe that it is better to show and not just tell. Books, like companies can book a personalized demo to see how Campaign Pro can work specifically for the businesses. It offers flexible plans, whether the companies is a startup or an enterprise. We will offer scalable subscription plans that grow with the needs. We are confident that once the Campaign Pro is in action, it will help. It will like the companies will understand why it's the ultimate tool for elevating their email marketing strategy. Thank you. That brings me to the end of the presentation. Thank you all for your time.